guys, it's Jenny here again from Just Jenny Journaling. Just a quick video to talk about the Traveller's Notebooks. I've just uploaded the parts 1 and 2 to YouTube. As you know, they're completed. It's a complete flip through. I made 7 altogether, and the plan was to keep 2 and just put 5 out to be available for anybody who may be interested. But over the weekend, it's been really exciting because my Instagram account reached ticked just over the 100 followers, which is really quite exciting for me. So I thought, as a kind of celebration and a thank you for that, I would do a giveaway of one of these little beauties. So rather than keeping 2 to myself, I've just kept the one. I kept this one. I've called it Butterfly Garden, I think, because it's filled with butterflies. Yeah, so I've kept this one, and I'm happy to have one to give away with you guys. So what I was going to say was, it's going to be the best thing to do. The rules of the giveaway will be, if you go onto Instagram, and basically all you need to do is share the Instagram post that talks about this, the flip throughs of these videos. You can share the Instagram post with 3 different friends. That's the first thing to do. And then go onto YouTube and check out the YouTube videos of the flip throughs, and just tell me which of the designs you like the best. And the reasons why, and then put it in the comments below on the Instagram post. And then what I'll do then on Wednesday the 6th of June, it will be at 8 o'clock GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, British time. I will just pick a random name out of the hat, and that winner will allow just to choose their favourite notebook, one that they like the best, that they've commented on. The winner can choose, and then the rest will be available for sale after that if anyone's interested. So I'll put the rules on the Instagram post again anyway, but I just thought it'd be fun and to say thank you guys for your support, and I would really appreciate the feedback on the different designs as well. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoy, and it should be fun. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.